Your Google Ads account can be suspended for many reasons, including it doesn't comply with their Google Ads terms and condition, unacceptable business practice policy, uh, circumventing system, clocking, suspicious payments, unpaid balance, egregious violation, or any other reason. Which is why it's very important to get the correction done on your account and on your website before getting the compliance. And before I start this amazing case study for the Google Ads account restoration, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza, and I'm an owner of AARSWEBS.com. It's a Google partner company, and we help clients with Google Ads management and Google Ads disapproved and suspensions. So let's get started on this amazing case study. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you the notices, and then I'm going to show you regarding this. So let's go with the flow. So this is the notice we got to an account. Your Google Ads account has been suspended, and your Google Ads account has been suspended for not complying with our Google Ads terms and conditions, and specifically your Google Merchant Center account has been suspended, causing the suspension of your Google Ads account. Suspension account prohibited from showing ads in all locations. So you can see this is the notification regarding this, and I'm going to show you how we are able to recover this. So this is their website, and you can see around this is the website. And once we started around, my team did a quick audit for this, and we pointed out few errors. After solving out dozens of cases regarding Google Merchant Center, Google Ads suspension, local service ads, Google business profile suspensions on what Google is looking for. We also install Microsoft Clarity for heat map session recording for the crawlers of Google and what visitors are looking for. So these are few of the things which we thought that could be the reason. Sometimes it's a checkout issue. Sometimes your wording is an issue. Your ad copy could be a problem. Your website ad content can be a problem. Specifically your misrepresentation of your offer not clearly visible, deceptive marketing, or some misguided. For instance, if you say free web hosting in your ad, but in reality there is no free web hosting service on your website available. So this can also be misrepresentation, circumventing system, or other errors on your website. So apart from this, complete privacy policy pages, privacy, cookie shipping, terms and condition payment, GPD guarantees. Sometimes if you are claiming some guarantees, that is being fine or not. And another interesting thing is, even if you mention the checkouts in your footer, and if they do not present while during the checkout, and if they are present in your footer, you will get suspension. If what you claim on your page and your social media does not reflect those, you can also be going to suspension. If you do not mention your time zone properly, you can be getting suspension. If you just mention your timings without time zone, can be a problem. Looking even for Sundays, mentioning for Sundays. If your contact form page is not working, this can cause suspension. If your contact us form page is not working, if proper information is not being delivered over here with all of the links, including shipping, refund policy, and all of these things specifically while during the checkout, are also being present, and giving extraordinary discount. For instance, 70% discount is not acceptable. And if you say like lose 10 kgs in 7 days, how you're going to claim you're going to lose 10 kgs? Do you have any scientific authority, or how you're going to deal it? So we know how to deal these issues, but these are the few reasons we know which ordinary people do not know. Let's say they say we are the best in the market. How you are claiming you're the best? Did someone authority recognized you, or how you were got this rating? So I'm sharing with you why these are the things can be reasons. If you are this Trustpilot link is not properly mentioned, if this could be a reason. Sometimes what happens is your product description can be a reason. If you're using plagiarized content, if you're using plagiarized images, this can cause suspension. If you, let's say, you try to add different quantity, and if we see any problem, that can cause suspension. If you, let's say, you write over here that you have 30 days, for instance, if you mention over here that you have returned with 30 days product can be returned, but if you're on your return and refund policy page say something different, or on your Google Ads, or somewhere else, or even on your Google Merchant Center, then you can cause suspension. So which is why it's very necessary to have a unanimous policy, unanimous wording on all of the pages. And if you say something different on your about us page, for instance, one of the client had the about us, on the about us page the email address was different, and on the contact us page the email address was not different, and this causes suspension. Also, if you are not clearly, mentioning about your business, or if there is any confusion, in your business, this can also cause suspension. So I'm saying you that the quality of your brand matters a lot, and these things are what we have discovered so far are the core reasons why your Google Ads account can be suspended. But there could be other, for instance, in the counterfeit goat policy, for one of the client which got counterfeit goat policy suspension, the story was different. They were selling original products, but Google labeled them as a counterfeit. So what we had to do, we had to get them restored through working with the Google. And what I mean is, working with the Google is not a necessary simple communication, but a dedicated communication. As a Google partner, we have a dedicated support. We need to reach out to them regarding the issues and how we sorted those issues and how the compliance was done. It is all of these processes very essential and important. If you are not able to explain properly, you guys will remain suspended. And explaining the compliance you have done on the website. And for the compliance, I have told you that we have worked a lot in getting learning on how we can do the compliance. So these are the crucial things, which I think are the core part of your Google Ads suspension restoration policy. And apart from this, some more things regarding small things you can see around over here. Even the contact us page was checked around. Even the chat page was checked. Other things were also being done, and I'm just sharing this is the part. But there was a huge communication done on the WhatsApp group with the client, and other communication was done before getting into the confidence. And after all of these issues, was sorted around. If you are targeting specific countries and if they have specific country laws for cookie policy, we have to get them restored as well. And then we finally, I'm going to show you. This is the customer ID. I'm going to search in front of you guys. You can see around over here. The advertiser verification has been completed on the account. After this, we got this that your Google Ads account has been suspended, and after this we sorted around issues, and you can see around over here your Google Ads account has been reactivated. Your account was temporarily suspended to verify your billing information policy compliance. This is the usual restoration we see. And I'm going to show you the original one, and I'm going to do it refresh in front of you to show you that this is all original. Okay, see around over here. So this is an account, and I'm going to move on to the notifications to show you your account is unsuspended. Your account has been deactivated and is able to run the ads again. You might need to update your billing information before your ads can run. So yeah, this is a perfect restoration case study. And yes, sometimes a lot of people get failed in getting their accounts restored, which is why they need a professional company like us. And we also help clients with Google Ads management once their Google Ads account is restored as a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. So if you need either of the services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are also known as AARSWEBS.com, AARSwebs.com, as a Google partner company. So yeah, I look forward working with you. And I am not working as a freelancer, but we are a whole company. We are a company based in UAE, known as AARSwebsolutions, COLLC. Visit our website AARSWEBS.com to know more about our services. Thank you, and I look forward working with you. Take care and bye bye.